Hello, Sylvia Gorenszach here, and I'm a Gel Moment Independent Distributor. How are you, fine people? I wanted to show you a new way of marbling with what you probably know as blooming gel, but we have now our own called Eco Gel, and marbling has never been easier. These are the colors that I'm going to be using along with the little crackling embers because I'm going to recreate this nail right here. I am so excited. I think this is going to be and I'm also using Gel Extend quartz as a base. So how about we get just right to it? First thing that I'm going to be doing is applying the Gel Extend quartz. This is our milky white color that has a very, very subtle shimmer inside, and I'm going to apply 2 coats on top of this. Just as an FYI, I do have a coat of Gel Extend on here because that's what I do when I'm in between manicures and I don't know what I'm going to be doing. So technically I probably don't need to have the Build-A-Base Clear Gel Extend on when I'm going to be using this color, but that's just the way that this manicure's turned out. A little trick when applying any of our gel extends is if you warm it up a little bit. So I just had it in my hand for a bit before this. I actually had it in my pants pocket as well, just to warm it up, and then it actually ends up being a bit thinner and a bit more malleable to apply. So to start with the marbling effect, you just choose a range of colors that suits you. I have Paradise Cove here, so I'm just doing a little strip. I'm going to do Aloha next, a little bit of Paparazzi, and some Mint Gelato. Next, I'm going to take a dotting tool, not with an end that's super big like this, but with like a medium size end, and I'm just basically weaving this through, mixing the colors ever so slightly. Okay. Don't want to overmix, because if you overmix, then you'll actually lose the marbling effect. I'm also going to put a bit of crackling embers just off to the side because I'm going to be using it for a sparkle highlight. All right, that should be good. Okay, I'm just going to put this off to the side for just a moment because now what we have to do is we have to use the Eco Gel. And so the Eco Gel is like a blooming gel, except we call ours Eco Gel. You're going to mix it like you normally do, and you're going to apply a thin coat on your finger. So let's just start with my middle finger. Now this is where it gets fun. So I'm just going to put this back in the bottle here. So I am not going to cure this now. We're going to leave this wet, and then this is how we're going to get the marbling effect. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is taking this brush right here, which is the detail brush. No, small slant brush. Small slant brush. Number 13. My brushes are not they're not numbered because they're older anyway. So I'm just going to be taking, I'm just moving some of my stuff off to the side here. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the green and this part on my brush, and I'm going to weave it, and I'm going to put my hand this way, and I'm going to weave it from the tip to the corner. I'm going to take a little bit more. Now the good thing about this blooming gel is that it's all going to settle in and mix in lovely. So now I'm going to be using the, which one's this one called? Sorry, I have a piece of paper in front of me. It's a flat brush, the small flat brush, medium flat brush. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now I'm going to scoop a bit more, and that's going to be on the top, but I'm going to make sure that my hand's in here. I'm going to lightly just kind of do this and sweep up to the side. And then it's just going to settle in and bloom, and that is it. Now, for the crackling embers, I'm just putting the, what's this brush called? The short striper brush. Oh my gosh, you know what? I should have made notes beforehand. Okay, so I'm just taking a little bit of this, and I'm going to weave it through wherever. Take a little bit more, put some down here. And so now this self-levels, and I have a little bit coming down here. So I'm just taking my cleanser pad, because you want to clean anything up that you have on your skin before you place it underneath the lamp. And I'm just going to wipe it off here. And that's it. So once you get the desired effect, because it's blooming, you can see right in here that is just blooming. The colors are just blooming into the blooming gel or into the Eco Gel that we have. So I'm going to cure this before it echoes anymore, and then I'll show you the results. And here it is. So I'm going to do the rest of the fingers, and stay tuned to the end of the video to see what it looks like. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate you watching my videos, sharing, supporting. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and be prepared for my next video. Ciao, ciao for now.